This is a late 70s or early 80s Valjoux 7500. This is called the poor man's Heuer. It's called that because it was made by Heuer. Like entirely made by Heuer. They were just rebranded, made for the LeJour brand. LeJour was sort of a company that they were used by Heuer to basically sell their product in America. They did the same thing with Yema in Europe. They're fantastic watches. Very high quality build. Solid stainless case with this odd sort of parkerized finish. Some people call this a PVD, but this really doesn't look like a PVD to me. It's really hard and tight to the metal. It looks more like a case finish than anything. You got some PVD on these buttons. You can see they're chrome high polish below, and then we're PVD'd over the top, but the case isn't like that. You can see the same kind of anodization here on this Caseback. However they did this, that's not deposited. It's an actual like oxidized coating on the metal. These are awesome watches. This one I have fully restored. It is, it's got a case rebuild with all new seals. The movement is fully serviced and timed and adjusted. I wore this watch for probably 2 months when I first got it and put it all together. Everything works exactly as it should. Hacking, running seconds, 30-minute counter, minute counter. Oh, I'm sorry, I lied. This is a 12-hour counter. My goodness gracious. That's the 30-minute counter. That's the second counter. It has date. It's English only, English and date. It's in original condition. Somebody loved this watch. They wore the heck out of it, and they had it serviced a few times. When it came to me, it was like this. All but 2 of the markers, there are these little applied markers, fell off and they're missing. These have this tendency to do that. I've seen it more than a few times. They're these little applied little pieces of little sheets of loom that are here. Some of the glue is left on this one. The markers have fallen off and they're simply not there. The hand loom was badly damaged when I got it, so this is actually a reloom. I reloomed it to match the daylight color of the loom, but it glows at night, and I did that specifically so this watch could be read at night. You can't really see it there, but those hands are glowing. Everything works great. The case is in good condition. It has no pitting or water damage of any kind. This was it's a good daily wearer of a very cool and iconic model. Also, by the way, called the Top Gun. I think this black model was the one that was worn by Tom Cruise in Top Gun. Actually, my brain just threw that fact out. I'm not sure if that's 100% true, but I think that's correct. In any case, it's all gone through. It's ready to wear. It comes with our standard 6-month warranty. The crystal has some marks on it. The crystal's original to the watch, and I didn't have a replacement crystal at that time. I believe I have one now, so if you want the crystal replaced, we can talk about that. The crystal has marks, but it doesn't really actually impede the legibility or visibility of the watch at all. So honestly, I just left it. So if somebody wants to buy this watch and they want a new crystal, they can talk to me about that, and we can make an arrangement for me to get a crystal if I don't have one and then get one in. But for me, this crystal was just fine. There it is, just like nothing. That's about it. I have it on a modern, easy on-off rubber diver strap, and I chose this because the shape of the little openings is actually somewhat reminiscent of this case, and I thought it worked well together. Anyway, that's it. So the listing is inside the listing, and you can just click that and go ahead and pick it up, and it's all ready to go. Thank you very much.